Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about Salam Air special flights from Muscat to Alexandria, or we can say from Oman to Egypt. The flight schedule is as follow. It will start on 10 September until 27 September, and these all are return flights. Few of them will return on same day, while few of them will return from second day or the third day. So the schedule is as from 10 September there is a flight Muscat to Salalah, then Salalah to Alexandria, then 11 September Alexandria to Muscat, then it will return on 12 September Muscat to Alexandria, then 13 September Alexandria to Salalah, and then Salalah to Muscat. And after that 14, 15 and 16 there is no flight, and 17 September one flight Muscat to Alexandria, and it will return on the next day 18 September Alexandria to Muscat. After that there is a flight Muscat to Alexandria on 19 September, which will return on 20th September Alexandria to Muscat, like Muscat to Alexandria on 19 September and 20 September Alexandria to Muscat. After that 21, 22, 23rd, these 3 days there is no flight. On 24th September there is a flight which will be Muscat to Alexandria, and it will run on next day 25 September Alexandria to Muscat. After that there is a flight from Muscat to Alexandria on 26th of September, and it will return on 27 September Alexandria to Muscat. All those who want to go to Egypt, or they want to come back Egypt to Oman, they can book their tickets. If you want to note the number is 24272222. You can get information about tickets, about approval and everything. And the MOFA approval, Ministry of Foreign Affairs approval, it will be must. You should have that MOFA approval to fly from Egypt to Oman. So inshallah khair, number is here with you. You can call, you can get information, you can book a ticket, and also you can follow your approval, you can apply also. Inshallah khair. Please pray for all and keep sharing. Sharing is caring. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.